Today we'll be demonstrating the SuperHandy 7,500-pound trailer dolly. This trailer dolly can help you move your RV from your garage, your small warehouse, or your driveway. This unit can be towed or pushed, but here's a key point. The RV's center of gravity and tongue weight must be effectively loaded onto the tow vehicle ball hitch so that the vehicle can more easily gain traction and control. When connecting, first align the RV coupler with the ball, then lower it slowly to ensure the ball is fully inserted and locked in place. After connecting, check the latch to make sure there are no loose connections.
Many people overlook this step. Our focus isn't simply on hooking up the RV, but ensuring the front end weight of the RV presses down onto the tow vehicle. This way, when towing or pushing, the drive wheels have better traction and steering control is more stable.
Connect the 7-pin connector on the tow vehicle to the trailer dolly. It's important to note that this connector is primarily used to supply power to the RV's braking system or to provide a control connection. The tow vehicle itself does not have an independent braking system, so the braking logic comes from the RV's own braking system. The braking systems in RV trailers can be broadly categorized into two systems: power on braking and power off braking. Before use, you must confirm which braking system your RV uses. In the first gear, activate the dolly forward switch, and the electronic brake on the trailer will release. If you release the forward switch, the trailer's electronic brake on the trailer will lock up. In second gear, the situation is the opposite. When the forward switch is activated, the RV's electronic brake locks up. And when the forward switch is released, the RV's electronic brake is released. After confirming the connection, the counterweight, and the brake position, you can begin moving at low speed. Proceed slowly throughout the entire process. Make only slight steering adjustments and constantly monitor the space on both sides and behind the trailer. On level ground, the RV can be pushed or pulled. However, when going uphill, push the RV upward into the desired parking location. Do not pull it in. Make sure the trailer dolly is promptly positioned under the RV so that the RV's weight rests on the trailer dolly. Do not allow the connection point to become loose or hang in the air. If the vehicle won't move, don't force it. Stop operating immediately and check the ground, wheel chocks, and the condition of the RV. If you confirm there are no obstacles, try lowering the ball hitch height to shift more weight from the front of the RV onto the tow vehicle. Then try starting again at a low speed. This is where the ball hitch is directly mounted, serving as the lowest point for the ball hitch installation on the trailer dolly. It's the general connection point for towing a trailer. This area is the front to rear adjustment for your ball hitch bracket. You can address body tilting issues by properly adjusting this area. All trailers vary in height. The SuperHandy trailer dolly has 4 different positions for the ball hitch. With these 4 different options, you can determine where your trailer will ride, on the lower side or the higher side. You definitely want it to be in the middle. This is the battery level indicator. When fully charged, all the lights will show, including the red bar on the left, which remains visible at all times. When you only see the red light, it means it is time to charge. As you are charging, check the lights. It shows red while charging and turns green once it is fully charged. To summarize, first, the RV can be towed or pushed. Second, the front end of the RV must be weighed down onto the tow vehicle. Third, if you can't push it, stop first, then try lowering the ball hitch. Fourth, the 7-pin connector powers the RV braking system. The tow vehicle itself has no braking mechanism. Fifth, select the appropriate gear based on whether you're using power-assisted brakes or non-power assisted brakes. These are the key filming and operational points for towing or pushing an RV with a 7,500 pound tow vehicle.